And it's incredible what you can pick up, and you're expecting. I've actually tried to bog this machine down, and I've tried to make it stall down, and to my surprise, it ain't even hiccup. Whatever I have given this machine, it's given me an answer back, and the answer is go. The size and the power, the speed of this unit, you'd figure that the fuel consumption would be terrible, but it was to my surprise that this thing is just, it's unbelievable on the fuel consumption. I think I had 68 hours, and it just had got to half a tank of fuel. I tell you what I love about the 548, the comfort and the seat, the smoothness of the operate in the cab. It don't beat, it don't bang you all around. You're sitting in this thing for 8, 10, 12 hours a day, so you got to have a piece of equipment that is comfy. When you go home, you don't want to feel like you've been in a wagon all day. It's very important that our equipment runs on a daily basis, non-stop. We don't need no hiccup, no breakdowns. We went with Caterpillar just by Caterpillar's name and the reputation that they've earned.
We're in a lot of steep, rocky ground. I haven't had any problem yet, haven't been stuck. Gotten me out of some spots that I didn't think it would. So far with my time on the 548, I'm very impressed with how much production we can get out of it for the size of the carrier. The stability on the 548 is very impressive. You can have your boom and stick way out with the log in the head, feeding it through, and there's no bouncing, not much rocking back and forth, easy on the body. The 548 is a very fuel efficient machine, about a third less fuel a day than the last machine I ran. We run the machine 6 days a week, so if you're burning 100 liters less a day, it's a lot of money saved. As far as the DEF system on the 548, it burns a lot less DEF in a day. This one you burn maybe a jug a day compared to a jug a shift on some of the other machines I've ran. Another impressive thing has been it hasn't blown a hose. We've been anywhere from minus 35 to plus 5. I haven't had one leak.
One of the things that impressed me the most about the 548 is one of the biggest things, the strength of it. I was loading trucks one day with the 548 Cat, and we was in a tight trying to get the truck to the mill before they closed down, and that being able to grab them 1 or 2 extra trees helped out the strength and the speed and everything. I mean, it helped out a whole lot as far as that goes. As far as smoothness, it drives like a Cadillac to me. I mean, it ain't jarring you around, and you ain't having to stop one function to do the other function. The heated and cooled function in the seat, I mean, that's really an extra, and that helps out like on these cool brisk morning. It breaks the chill in the cab and kind of gets your body temperature back warm instead of you up there shivering and waiting on the water temperature to warm up. Caterpillars went out their way to make it comfortable for the operators to get through their day and get home. I mean, they've improved a lot as far as being comfortable for the operators.
Fuel consumption is definitely a big deal to us as far as a business owner, because that's a big cost of your overhead. And from the few times, we've only been demoing this machine about a month now, but from the few times that we have filled it up and basically going back and forth and checking the gallons per hour, we feel that it's a lot better on fuel than anything we have out here. As far as the 548, I think it's everything they said it was, and maybe even a little more as far as strength, power, durability, fuel consumption, speed. So far, we've been very pleased with all aspects of it.
Caterpillar's got a good product. We just want to stay with Caterpillar.